Welcome, woodworker friends. My name is Mary and Elena, and today, we'll do a improvement on my DWE7485 table saw. We'll do a zero insert slot. Notice currently it comes with this wide one, and you can see a problem. And imagine trying to square up, the blade, and this thing's problematic. It's not even, so. What we are going to do is use an MDF board with a melamine top. It's very slippery, and you can even do y equals x to the air, or something like that. You can do your math videos with this stuff, and it wipes away nicely. It's slippery. So here's our zero insert slot. We just put this in, and that's it. And everything works good. See that? Notice that's there's our board, and essentially everything's been raised by 1/8 of an inch, right? So you have to raise the fence also by thickness of 1/8 of an inch so that the fence may work. You see it right now, and everything else works great, including my extension table, auxiliary table. We just put that on. That works, as you can see. And not even that. Let's see how my thin rip jig works. So we dial it in. And so, yeah, we're going to cut this. So let's do it. There it is. Works like a charm. Very smooth. And as you can see, this thing is flat. And let's see how flat it is. That's how flat it is. So we put this on. Yes. Flat, flat, flat as the earth. That's pretty flat. Flat enough for me. So there you have it. A zero insert slot using this MDF and melamine. Very slippery, very thin, 1/8 of an inch. Everything's raised up 1/8 of an inch. The fence still works. So I think that's an improvement. So thanks.